I told the President that as the G7 presidency and a member of the UN Security Council, that Japan will make a proactive contribution. And as part of that endeavor, we will dispatch the special envoy for the Horn of Africa to respective countries, and in order to respond to the deteriorating humanitarian situations in Sudan and in neighboring countries, we will promptly consider emergency humanitarian assistance together with the international community, and affirmed that we will coordinate closely with Kenya. On top of that, I agreed with President Ruto to further reinforce the relationship between Japan and Kenya based on the achievements of TICAD 8 held last August. Kenya is one of the leading locations for Japanese businesses to establish presence, and startups are developing enormously, and Japanese startups that resolve social challenges by innovation are also active. There is an ongoing plan for a large-scale data center by Japanese companies that is expected to become the hub for the upgrading of ICT base in Africa, and I have recognized the importance of strengthening and promoting the business and investment relations between Japan and Kenya. Japan emphasizes investment in people. In order to advance the levels of the industries in Kenya, we affirmed our cooperation to promote the cultivation of industrial human resources together. We also agreed to launch the industry dialogue to accelerate our bilateral industrial cooperation. Kenya is the